I've always loved science. I was always really interested in math and science in school. So I chose to dive into family medicine, and it allowed me to transition into a women's health subspecialty. Urogynecology is a really unique specialty in medicine. A lot of women struggle with pelvic floor disorders. They're very common. A lot of women who have had either traumatic births or even having a baby is a risk factor for a pelvic floor disorder. I think there's that misconception that I have to continue struggling with this, where in reality you don't. Correcting a pelvic floor disorder offers women such a great opportunity to regain their confidence, their ability to do the things they love, to interact with their family and their partners and have intimacy again. It doesn't always have to be a surgical option. It could also be something as simple as a pessary or medication that might help. Women can feel empowered to come and find a solution to what they're going through. Knowing that you've had a positive impact on somebody's life is so rewarding. Not only just from a provider's standpoint of, gosh, I was headed down the right road and I've helped this person, but also from the fact that your patient is happy and content and feels overall better, and that you've improved the concern that they had or, their quality of life. Ultimately, that is truly just the best part about our job. I'm Elizabeth Vogel, a physician assistant in urogynecology, practicing at Intermountain Health.